Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your controller when you're using it on your Steam Deck. So there's a couple different ways that we can do this. The easiest way is simply just to hold down the PlayStation or Xbox button. So if we hold this down for like 5 seconds, the controller is just going to simply turn off. So you should see it turn off right about now. And that's the easiest way to simply turn it off. Now you can also turn it off in the menu. So I'm just going to press this and turn it back on. Press O. Go on down to settings right here. Select that. Then let's go on over to Bluetooth. Then go to the device. So here's my DualSense wireless controller. Now if we go to forget device, this is going to remove it from the Steam Deck. But if we go to disconnect, tap that. This should disconnect it so it doesn't work. And you can see it turned off. So we have to turn it back on now. And it should reconnect. Now it's highlighted white. So you can disconnect it or just simply turn it off manually with the PlayStation one or the Xbox button. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe my channel down below. More check out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.